Hello, friends, and welcome back to Restore You. It's Angela with another Thrifty Thursday haul. This one is from just a small auction lot that I got, and I thought I would go through it and share it with you because of well, probably not all of the auctions, but this one was one I was like, oh gosh, do I really need that? Probably not. But what I found inside was pretty super exciting. So before I get started, a special thanks to Sherry at Turquoise Dreaming, who hosts an open collaboration called #Thrifty Thursday. You can find all of the videos from those people participating by just putting in the hashtag in the search bar, #Thrifty Thursday. And today, Lisa and Kim and Jan, thank you for joining the channel. Thanks for your support, and thank you for your comments and encouragement. I appreciate it. So I'm just going to get started right at it. This isn't going to be a terribly long haul, but here's the story. I bid on this, and I had intended to bid on a couple of other things. Well, I did bid on a couple of other things. I was not successful. And as it ended up, I only ended up with this one thing. This was an online auction. And I got one lot for $4. And it was like, it's like almost 45 or more minutes away from my house. And I was like, oh, do I want to go all the way there and get it? So my girlfriend commutes for work, and she was generous enough to pick this little basket of goodies up. And so I wasn't really sure what all was inside, but I knew it had a few things that I did want and that caught my eye. But in there was this medium weight erasable bond typing paper. So that will be really fun. We can do a lot of things with that. This is from Pomida, which is not in business anymore, but it was $1.19 at its time. And then this is the same thing. Oh, there's more than that in it. Let's see. Well, there's some green paper. This is just a variety of vintage papers. That's nice. That's almost like writing paper. There's really not any typing paper in this one. Oh, maybe this is. This is some, oh, look what we got here. A writing tablet. Oh, isn't that cool? You must put this underneath so that you can see through. Cute. See, I hadn't even looked at that. Let's see what this one is. Linen finish writing tablet. This is from Minnesota. And again, I need to have this grid when I write letters, because when I do this on blank paper, it goes all over. So that's cute. There's just a few pages in there. Well, that wasn't so bad. I got some bonus paper out of this for my $4 box of goodies. You guys aren't going to believe this when I show you what I got. I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Some drafting tape. And my friend Marie, when she went and got this, she goes, there's some tape in there. And she goes, it's probably going to crack. It's probably like not even usable. Well, it is. It's drafting tape. And this is like the stuff that you can use and then peel off. And so that will be very, very useful. And I think I'm going to put this aside. I think it would be fun to just stamp on it and see what happens. So I got that. In there was this little cute little container. It's from Nashville, Indiana, and it's from an art gallery. And it's just from the kitchen of, I think they're all the same. They are. But a cute little notepad. I don't know what I'll do with that yet, but cute. This is the only thing that wasn't from that auction, and I have not yet gone through it. And I think I took the wrong, why did I bring this home? Because Dave wanted to go through all this, but this was just in another lot from another auction, and it's jam-packed full of stamps, which it's not why I bought this, but it was kind of a nice little find. But it's full of these from all over the country, and from what I can tell, they have separated these all by country. So Dave was like, I want to look at those. So he can have at it. And then I can play with them later. And then, again, this is something that there are way too many. These are probably going to go on either eBay or Etsy. What did I get on myself? Oh, it's paint from earlier today. But these are entire rolls that have never been opened. And look at these. I'm waiting to use the stamps so that I can actually play with these little envelopes, glassine envelopes. These are from, oh, these are from Philadelphia. Huh. But most of them are from, there's some Canadian ones. Let's see what else. Oh, hold on. Don't want to ruin those cute little sacks. What are these? But every single one of them is separated. Okay, Angela. Bear with me, guys. This better be good. United States. Huh, I don't know what the significance of those are. That's a Boulder Dam. But there was a bunch from all over. France, Ecuador, and the list goes on and on. So this will be fun. I think we should do Posta Romana. So I'm assuming Italy. Doesn't say Romania, and that probably wouldn't have been... Oh, it is Romania. So apparently Romana is also Romania. I thought that was probably Italian. U.S. savings bonds it's postmarked as. More Canada. So this will be just kind of fun to look at. And then I got all kinds of ideas to go through or to use these vintage glassine bags. Where are these from? These look like they're all the same. Bermuda. Ceylon. Bahamas. Well, hey, take me there. So that was really fun. But I thought it went along with kind of our office supply haul today. So I wanted to share that with you. And then this is, these are picture hangers. Somebody had written on that. But I don't know. I think this would be cute to do something with. So that's going in my little stash with all my little miscellaneous thing. This is the reason I bought the whole lot that I didn't know what I was getting. There's some Denison labels. There's your parcel posts. Some money receipts. And I love this cover. So those were fun. And then this is rent receipts. And it still has the piece of carbon in it. But then look at that one here. Let's find one that's not. So it's got the green and then it's got the vintage. So that was awesome. And then I don't even have to coffee dye these if I don't want to. And then just another little receipt book. So that is why I bought this little lot of goodies. Then the creme de la creme. Well, first of all, it came with these cute little boxes of gum reinforcements, you know. They're probably not really usable because they're really, really old and there's not a lot in them. But I will do something with these little boxes. They kind of look like a Matchbox. And these are pretty hefty, though. I don't know. These are way better than what they get, you know, that we get now. Because they're made out of almost like that med tape that I use. So we will figure out something to do with those. But here is what I want to show you. So I think there's a pair of scissors and a couple of other things in there too. But in there were 3 staplers. And I was like, oh, that's nice. They probably don't work. Well, they do. Not only are they staplers, but I just scored 3 tiny attachers. So if you are an artist or junk journaler or paper crafter, you know who Tim Holtz is, and that he has this amazing tiny attacher. I don't have one. I mean, I know it's crazy. My husband would say, really, there's something that you don't have, but I don't. And I've thought, oh, gosh, I should buy one, you know, but it's never been on my like top priority list. So I just never did. And when I pulled these out, I was like, these kind of look like tiny attachers. Well, they are indeed. These are the staples they use. They're called, I don't know why they say 50-inch, taut 50-inch staples, but they are 1/4 inch, which is the very same size as the tiny attachers. So let me just see if I can show you. This is just my regular stapler. So that's the size of a regular staple. Just the standard you buy anywhere. And then these, oh, this one I didn't put any staples in, I forgot. These are the tiny attachers, or tiny attacher-esque. And you know what? There is nothing more heartwarming than when you find a vintage something that actually works, and you know they're going to work forever because they've been around this long and they still work. So 3 of them. So that was absolutely worth my $4, and for my sweet friend to go get them for me. And then I went on Amazon and I looked it up and I found, whoops, I'm dropping things. I found more replacement staples. So I ordered more of those so I could keep this one with my other little vintage goodies. And I am all set. So this one's kind of cool. It's from the Farmers Co-op in Riverton, Iowa. I was going to look that up and figure out where Riverton, Iowa is. Oh, maybe this is... Yeah, I didn't put any staples in this one. But, I mean, these are heavy duty. The little tot. I'm going to start calling my little stapler the tot. But I figured I can take one to the acreage and have, you know, one here and have one in my little traveling crafter bags. So that was a fun find for me. I know I get way excited about this stuff, and you're probably like, really, that's not that big of a deal, but it was to me. And I got 3 for half the price of one tiny attacher, although I do think they're amazing, and I someday might love to have one, but now my heart is happy. So that was it for this Thrifty Thursday. That was a really quick one. Under 15 minutes. Sometimes that's just nice, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Tune in next time. I'm not sure what all the fun things I have in store because I'm doing these quite a bit in advance. So I'm doing a lot of my Thrifty Thursdays all at one time so that then I can concentrate on crafting. But so it will depend on when this airs. But I want to thank you as always for joining me, for all your support, for your comments and your questions, and for reaching out on all of our social platforms. I want you to have a fantastic rest of the week, and remember to take time to just be. Until next time, cheers.